Hey, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going on an anime adventure. But instead of watching, we're gonna be drawing. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who've always wanted to draw an awesome anime face. We'll break it down step by step. So grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's jump right in without delay. Remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Ready? Let's get started. To draw an anime face, first, create a head shape. Here it should look like an oval, or rather a geometric figure similar to an egg. In order to further accurately draw an anime face, here we will create auxiliary lines. First, depict a vertical line, and then place the eye lines on it. At the same stage, create a neck between the two lines drawn in the previous stage. Create the upper eyelids. They should be thicker at the angles. Use two circles or ovals to create the pupils. Above the eyes, create eyebrows that can be thick or thin. Use a few dashes to create a nose and mouth. Inside the eyes, depict round pupils and above them a couple of folds. Next, depict the ears, the upper tip of which is at the level of the upper eyelids, and the lower tip at the level of the tip of the nose. Now create lines inside the ears. The ears can actually be very different. You can make a slightly different shape. Let's now create the anime hairstyle. Let's start with a bang, creating it with a series of long lines. We drew a long and straight bang, but you can make a completely different bang. Now let's move on to the top and depict the hair using long and smooth lines. Again, the hair in anime can be fundamentally different. This will be the easiest, but very important stage of the instruction on how to draw an anime face. Here we need to make the jaw a little more angular. Time to make your character shine. Erase any light pencil lines you don't need anymore. And now, thicken the lines. You want to give your drawing some definition. You can also add some shading with your pencil to show depth on the face and hair, and make it more aesthetic and beautiful. have it. You've just drawn your very own anime face. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep drawing. Experiment with different style. And most importantly, have fun. And hey, if you mess up, don't worry, just grab your eraser and try again. That's how the coolest anime artists learn and grow. Thanks for watching and see you next time.